Chapter 4 Linear Equations in Two Variables. So let us start with equation. Okay. What is an equation? An equation is a condition on a variable, and you know that it is connected by two statements is connected by an equality sign, that is LHS equal to RHS. For example, what we can write x plus 7 equal to 30, right? So it is an expressions, two expressions x plus 7 and 30 are connected with the equal sign. This is an example for equations. So equation has three parts. What is that one? One is LHS, another one is RHS, and it is connected by an equality sign. Lower class we have already studied what is an equation. Today's topic is what a linear equation in two variable. So from that equation meaning you understood now. Now the next part is that what is linear equation? What is meant by the linear word? See, when you have studied about the polynomial, based on the degree you can classify the polynomials. You can classify the polynomials based on degree. There we have studied that when the degree equal to 1, it is equal to 1, then what we can say that it is called a linear polynomial, right? Now when the degree equal to 2, what we have studied, it is called a quadratic. Similarly 3 means cubic, right? So these already you have studied. So what is the meaning of the degree? The highest power of the variables. So whether it is expression or polynomial, we can say that degree equal to 1, it is called a linear polynomial. Degree equal to 2, it is a quadratic polynomial. Degree equal to 3, it is a cubic polynomial. So today we are going to learn more about the linear polynomial. So we understood that degree equal to 1, that time we are calling it as a linear polynomial only. Now this time we are going to about linear equations. See, y equal to 2x plus 1. What is the degree here? 1 only. X is also having 1. So its degree is 1. It's a linear equation. Degree is also 1. Again it is connected with the equality sign. So it is called a linear equation. And but here one variable only we have to learn. Here what happens? We are having two variables. Some other forms also we can write here. 5x equal to 6. See, equal sign is also there. What is the degree of the x? It is equal to 1. So it is a linear equation in one variable. It is here what we have seen, it is also linear equation, but it is in the case of a linear equation in two variables, right? Now we have to write some other examples here. So s equal to some other examples for linear equation two variable. S equal to t plus 6, 3a minus b equal to 6. These are the examples for linear equation in two variables. Now let us see some other examples. 2x equal to 10, y equal to 5, and 2x plus 4 equal to 15. Again x plus 15 equal to 12. Like that examples if you check means you can see that the degree is also 1 only, and it is a only one variable. Here degree is 1 and in equation, so linear equation in one variable. Y equal to 5, again it is a linear equation with one variable. 2x plus 4 equal to 15. 2x equal to 15 minus 4. So we can simplify here, that is equal to 11. So 2x equal to 11 only. Again it is a linear equation in one variable. Here also we can solve 15. 12 minus 15 will come. So x equal to minus 3. So this way you can solve, and you can see that these all are the examples for linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now we will consider 2x equal to 10. What is x? X equal to 5. So solution equal to 5 only here. Now you have studied in lower classes, when you are add something to the LHS, you have to add right side also we have to add the same thing. So if I am adding plus 2 here, then 5 plus 2 here, right? So x plus 2 equal to 7. or x equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So when you are add something to the given equation, your solution will not change. Similarly, when you are subtracting something with the equations, that means when you are doing LHS subtraction, you should do the same thing with the RHS also. So for the linear equation solution, the solution will not affect when you are adding something to the equation and when you are subtracting something from the equation. Similarly, when you are multiplying something with the equation and we are dividing with the equations. I repeat, the solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. When we multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. So what we have seen that x equal to 5 we have taken. We have seen that x plus 2 equal to 5 plus 2. That means x plus 2 equal to 7. So the first equation was this only. That means the solution is 5 only. Again, if you solve for this one, 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Similarly with the multiplication also, subtraction also, and multiplication and division also. So we will go for multiplication. 2x equal to 10. How we got a x equal to 5, it was there, so multiplied with the 2 here also I have to multiply with the 2. So again if you are solving, we will get back the, when you divide the same thing only, x equal to 5, both the side I am dividing with the 5, so x by 5 equal to 1. Again when we are solving means what will happen to x, x equal to 5, you will get back. So what here we are getting the conclusion means if you add, subtract or multiply or divide with the same number on both the sides of the equation, that will not affect the solution of a linear equations, right? This is the point we have to learn from here. So linear equation means what you understood, it should be an equation with a degree 1 only. So linear equation in one variable we are studying now, so only one variable is there. So x I have written, it can be y, it can be t, like that. So another example I can say that let there are two numbers, one number is double of the other. What is the condition? One number is double of the other. Its sum is 100. So how will you represent? So let the number is equal to x, first number equal to x. What is the second number? Second number equal to 2x, double of the other only. Now according to the condition, how you will write x plus 2x equal to 100. That means 3x equal to 100. Got? So this is the framing the equation only. So we are getting the equations from the word only, converting mathematical way. So one number is double of the other. There are certain situations that where we are using linear equation in one variable also. Now linear equation in one variable, how its a solution is 2x plus 5 equal to 0. What is x? 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2, or we can say minus 2.5. Similarly, x plus 5 equal to 0. What is the solution here? X equal to minus 5. Now 5x equal to 0. What is x then? X equal to 0 by 5 equal to 0. So when we are taking a linear equation in one variable, you are getting one solution only. You have studied when we are learning the chapter polynomial chapter only. So there we have studied that when a linear polynomial have only one solution, it is called as a root of the equation also, right? Now how to represent this in geometrical way, that is the solution, how we can represent, or equation, linear equation, how we can represent in a geometrical way. So linear equation in one variable, how we can represent, that is the question for us. So it is only one solution, it should be represented on the number line. So what we should do, we have to draw a number line, and you know that a number line how to represent only 1 centimeter gap. So here 2.5 is required, that is also minus only. So I am writing here 0. So this side it is minus 1. minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, side 1, 2, 3, right? So now minus 2.5 is there. Minus 2.5 means somewhere middle it will come here. I'll write x equal to minus 2.5 and I'll put a mark here in between minus 2 and minus 3, right? So we are represented on the number line. Since it is only one solution is there, so we will get only one answer. So how to represent this one linear equation? You have to represent on the number line. Now the next question is x equal to minus 5 only, because x plus 5 equal to 0. So you can use vertical line also, there is no problem, because either horizontal way or a vertical way we can represent. That is a true fact. Since it is we are using in the single line only, so we can go for the minus 5 means here I am writing 0, the below the line minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, above the line plus, so 1 and 2. Again what we required, x equal to minus 5, so I'll write here and mark x equal to minus 5. Got? So either horizontal way or the vertical way we can represent a linear equation in one variable. It has only one solution, degree is also one, the solution is also one, or root also one only. We can say how to represent this one. We have to represent on the number line. One more last point I have, variable is there. Any equation which can be written in the form ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable. So what is this? This is called standard form of a linear equation. Standard form, what is that one? Ax plus b equal to 0. So ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in one variable. This is the standard form. So what are the condition here? A not equal to 0. Suppose a equal to 0, what is happened to the equation? Ax plus b equal to 0 means if a equal to 0, why this condition is writing a equal to 0 means 0x plus b equal to 0. That means b equal to 0 we are getting. So it is not a linear equation. Got it? So that is why the condition is very important. If a equal to 0 means what happened to the equation? It became a constant now. B equal to 0 only. So there is no variable like x and all there. So we can say that it is not a linear equation in one variable. So this condition is also important. Got it? So what is the standard form? Ax plus b equal to 0 implies ax equal to minus b implies x equal to minus b by a. This is the solution. We have seen that only one solution is possible. So what is the standard form for a linear equation in one variable? It is only one and it is equal to x equal to minus b by a. Now let us see what is linear equation in two variables, right? So you know that now two batsmen A and B are playing and they together scored 100 runs. So we will write A plus B equal to 100. So this is two variables. What is the degree here? Degree here also 1, here also 1. So it is also linear equation only. So two variables are there. So it is called a linear equation in two variables. Now see that one. Now from this equation, last time we have seen that when it is a linear equation in one variable, only one solution is possible. Now see that when A is scoring 60 run, then B is scoring 40 runs for satisfying this equation. Now what is this? A is taken value 60 and B is also taken value 40. Still it is forming as 100 only. Suppose both are scored 50. that is also true, only true statement here. So that means when a equal to 50 and b equal to 50 is also solution. When a equal to 60, b is also equal to 50, it is also solution only. Now what is the next solution? If a scored just 20 runs only, then for making the equation correct, b should score 180 runs, because the sum is equal to 100. So while putting one value for a, we are getting another value for b also, and the equations are satisfied. So what is this shows that many solutions are possible here. We can find many values such that where this equation becomes true, right? So now this way I can write the same sentence in our normal way: x plus y equal to 100. Now it is very familiar to you that sum of two variables is equal to 100 only, because when x and y is writing, it is a customary practice, because it is our usual practice where you use these variables. It is also true that we can use any other two variable also. So a plus b equal to 5. This is also two linear equation in two variables only. Now p plus 4q equal to 25. So this is also linear equation in two variables only. Now another equation is that 3 equal to root 2x minus y. Now see that what is the anybody is there to not to follow the concept means check the degree first. What is the degree of a? 1. What is the degree of b? That is also 1. So the degree is 1, but we are having two variables. Understood here? What is the degree of p? That is also 1. What is the degree of the q? Then that is also 1. Then but two variables used here, so it is a linear equation in two variables. Now another example, you can see that 3 equal to root 2x minus y. So what is the variables? We have used x and y only. What is the power of x? That is also 1, and y also 1 only. So it is also a linear equation, and variables are 2 this time. So it is called a linear equation in two variables. So the same procedure when we have learned about linear equation in one variable, what we told, degree equal to 1 and one variable to be used. Here what is the concept changed? Degree is 1 only, but two variables are introduced here, right? So now we can see another example, that suppose we are going for with a rupees 50. We are having rupees 50 only, and we would like to buy a pen of pen at the cost of rupees 10. Yes, and pencil at the cost of rupees 5. Now I would like to buy that 4 pens there. So what I'll write, 4 into 10, 40 rupees over. Now I will get 2 pencil only. So 2 into 5, it is equal to 50. Got it? So I would like to make a constant for rupees 50. That I cannot change because I have the value only rupees 50 rupees, but I have to buy pen as well as pencil also. So pencil is rupees 5 they told, pen is rupees 10 we have taken. So I have purchased 4 pen, means 4 into 10, 40 rupees over. Next 2 into 5, 2 pens are there, so 50 rupees total over. Now I will change the number. I just want to purchase 3 pen, so it is 3 into 10. Now 30 rupees only remaining. Now I can purchase 4 pencil. 4 into 5, 20. So again the total will be 50. Now I changed again that 5 pens, I changed that to 2 pen I have taken. So 2 into 10, 20 rupees only I have invested. So I have 30 rupees is spending. So 6 pencil I can make, and 30 plus 20 again 50. So this 10 rupees, that is a fixed part. So I change this 10 as a x and this 5 as a y. So what will happen to the equation in the first case? This first case we can write that 4x plus 2y equal to 50, right? Similarly 3x plus 4y equal to 50. Next 2x plus 6y equal to 50. So now you understood that depending upon the situation we can make many linear equations in two variables. Understood? So each situation I explained that number of pens, number of pencils we are changing. According to that our equation is also changing. But which part became constant here? Rupees 50 became constant. Compared to the previous question, now you see that the constant values are there because 100 is the constant. The sum of the two batsmen's run is equal to 100. So each time we are putting and we are seeing that the values are different and but the constant sum remains the same only. Same way here number of pens and number of pencils can vary, but the value of the pen, value of the pencil remains same, as well as the constant, what is the amount you are having, that is also constant only. Based on this idea we can make the equations. So in real life also we are using linear equation in two variables in many situations. So today we are winding up with these two concepts. One is linear equation in one variable and second one is linear equation in two variables. You can learn more about linear equation in two variables in the next class. Thank you.